By clicking the Get in Touch button, the system will start to load, and when it reaches 100%, the system will automatically send you to the login interface of the system. In order to proceed to the main interface of the system, you will need to log in. To have your own account, press the Register button. Fill all the required fields in creating an account. After successfully creating your account, you can now log in. When you accidentally forgot your password, you can press the Forgot Password to bring back your account and replace your old password with new one. The passcode will be sent to your email. This will confirm if you are the owner of this account. If you successfully retrieve your account, you can proceed to the login section. By filling all the required fields in login interface, you will proceed to the main interface of the notifier. If you are new to the system, you can click the menu system on the right side. This will show all icons and their meaning. If you click one of the fire station icon, it will show the name, address, contact, fire truck size of that station. Also, it will show how many kilometer and time it will take to arrive at your location. If you click the report button, it will show all nearby fire station around you and fire alarm level. To successfully report the incident, click your desired station, or you can click all of them by pressing Select All and Fire Level. A confirmation will pop up. This includes all your information and your report. By confirming it, your report will be sent to the fire station. Also, an emergency icon will be placed to your location. A notification will be sent to the fire station and the teachers about the said report. The notification contains the report of the citizen, including the location and fire alarm level. By clicking the copy address, your phone will automatically copy the GPS location and the address of the reporter. If you click the Show Route button, an extended version of the notification will appear. The extended version of the notification includes the route of the station to the said GPS location, and a respond button that when pressed, a notification will be sent to the reporter main interface. That means his or her report is received. When they successfully responded to your report, a notification will pop up on the main screen interface of the system that show report has been received and the status of the firefighters.